Is your website working for you? In this Whiteboard Wednesday, I'm going to show you our website, what I would like to change about it now, but what I think actually does work and what's good general principles for you. Hi and welcome to this Whiteboard Wednesday with me, Sam Ashdown. I run the AJ Mastermind here in lovely, I was going to say sunny Windermere. It's definitely not sunny today, it was hailstone this morning, with my co-host and partner, Phil Jones. Not that kind of partner, the other kind of partner. He's my son-in-law. This is our website, ashdownjones.co.uk, in case you want to go and have a look at it. And there are some general principles that I think work really well and some things that we want to ditch. And I just wanted to take you through it. So not strictly speaking a whiteboard, but hopefully you'll find this useful. Sorry for standing in front of it. I'm going to have my Mac open as well so I can show you. So the very first thing that you should notice is that the call to action buttons are all in one colour, and that colour is like a gold colour. Can you see? And because we're all used to using websites that where the cursor moves to, that thing changes. It changes to grey as soon as you hover over it, so you know that you're there. You know, it gives you a little bit of reassurance that when you click on it, you're on the button, literally. Okay, so we've got a call us button there. We've got a tell us about your unique home button there. I'm going to come back to that in a second. You've got a tell us about your unique home button there. You've got discover more there and book a consultation there. So that I count 5 buttons, all gold. There's very, very little gold anywhere else other than that. It's not in our logo. It's in a couple of little lines like this, but nothing that distracts you. So you know if you see a gold button as you're going through this and your eye's tracking to the next gold button, it's actually a call to action button. That's number 1. Number 2 is there's nothing for buyers. We don't want buyers to spend time on our site. Buyers should be on Rightmove. So we're not interested in attracting buyers or giving buyers any content. We are only interested in sellers. In fact, we're only interested in sellers of unique homes. So it says here, they're selling the very best homes in the very best places. And then it says, tell us about your unique home. So we're selecting just by putting that text there. Because if they haven't got a unique home, they've got no business pressing that button, have they? So our call to action is a really, really strong call to action. It's got 1, 2, 3, I don't know why it's not filling in. Oh, there you go, email it says there. Sorry, it just flashed up, email. Can you see? So it's first name, last name, email, telephone number, and message there. It's easy to see on my Mac than it is on there. And it says to book a home consultation with Sam and Phil from Ashdown Jones, either fill in the form below or call us on. We really look forward to meeting you. Now this needs updating a bit, I think. I think there's things we can do a lot better there. That should be a video, I think. I think it'll be really smart to take people straight to a video. Then the video then sells a consultation because people don't really know what a home consultation is. And actually, it said on the previous page, tell us about your unique home, and then we've done something that's completely different to that, and now I can't click away from it either. That's probably supposed to be across. There you go. The other thing that I would change now is this is a very slow moving video, deliberately, because video does convert as long as it's not fast moving and as long as it's directing you towards a particular part of the website, which is what this is. So those ducks there are swimming there, but I think we could choose a better video for it. I don't think that's the best one for it. We've got a nice picture of a home there, but it's a very old picture. That's about 4 years ago now. And I quite like these. These are planning, trying, struggling. By the way, we license that copy, so if you're interested in licensing from us, let us know. And then there's a really old picture of me and Phil looking a little bit chubster there as well, so we definitely need to move that off there. Okay, so that's the main points of the website. What have you learned? Don't try to attract buyers. Don't give them anything to look at because you really want vendors. Same if you're letting, so just want landlords, not tenants. Everybody's got loads of tenants. You don't need that. You need landlords. And although we could do with a few more buyers, it's really sellers that we want to attract on our website. We don't want to try and be Rightmove. It's not our bag. Secondly, the call to action buttons are all the same colour. Thirdly, the call to action button is only to attract vendors. Fourthly, there are 5 call to action buttons on that page. And I think that's probably all the main things I want to tell you. So that's it. If you'd like to know more about what we do here at the AJ Mastermind, then we'd love to invite you to come and spend the day with us. If you'd like to find out more about it, if you go to this page here, which is ajmastermind.co.uk/events, you'll see this beautiful page here with all our lovely members on there. What a great picture that is. There's member events. If you're not a member, don't click that. There's non-member events there, and that'll take you to the page where you can choose the next event that's coming up and book yourself on it. But we only allow one agent per area, so you need to be quick if you want to get on a particular event on a particular date, because it could be that your competitor has already booked on. So not only is it free, you also get a delicious lunch, and you get the opportunity to pick Phil's brain and my brain and meet the team, have a look at things like our whiteboards, our marketing materials, and learn more about the tactics that we're using, not just here in the Lakes, but also in the Dales in our new branch, to really get some traction there. We'll also have a look at your website if you like. Thanks very much for watching this slightly not a Whiteboard Wednesday, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now.